Okay guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel, and we are building we are using teensy tiny 6x6 platforms.
And we're gonna build
We're gonna build random stuff.
Yeah.
And we're going to be coming back and I think we're gonna judge it, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Well, no,
We're gonna be starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, so
Grabbing
this. I don't know what I should build.
I just need a lot of green pieces.
You already know what you're building.
Yes.
Oh, I know
this
what I'm
should
gonna
cover
build.
it.
Mine's gonna be random colors, so yeah. And make sure to like and subscribe.
Yeah, if you think,
And comment down below.
comment down below on who you think is going to win this challenge.
Yeah.
Alright, so I just found this in the bucket. So, like that. Oh no, bro. I messed up.
Oh, you did?
I don't think there's very much more dark green. Yes, I found the exact pieces that I needed. Alright, and then I'm just going to build like a little tiny house with these bricks that I found.
Hey, I'm building a house. But it looks like this so far. And it's not that good.
Mine is like white bricks.
Oh my gosh, I just found two of these on this.
Cody, remember when we were picking up blocks, taking apart your football field? And we just picked them up randomly, and then we picked them up all at the same time.
Oh yeah. I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Oh yes. I needed that. Alright, got the floor. Can I extend the platform?
No, you can only build it on that.
Okay. And then I'm gonna build actually I don't think I'm gonna build a house. Probably just, oh, I know. Exactly.
I'm actually gonna make mine one brick taller.
Alright, so if I'm going to build that, I will need a lot of space. But it is going to be a mini one. Pick a number 1 through 10.
Me?
Yes.
7.
Okay. You sure?
Yeah.
That's a big number.
Why just pick one?
Okay.
Are you kidding me right now? There's not even another square on this piece.
Well, there might be.
No. There's only like 1 by 1 pieces.
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
You guys, I don't think he's very sure.
I'm mostly sure.
Exactly.
Look at it for yourself. Just broke it.
Ew. Okay. I will use these.
I'm just helping you.
Yeah. So, should we? How much more longer do you think we should have on this?
What do you mean?
Like, should there be like a timer?
No. Well, how about this? We will have 2 more minutes.
2 minutes.
Actually, 1 more minute.
Okay.
Starting now.
So, we're gonna need a timer.
No. We'll just.
Who's
No. And there's a clock right there.
Yeah. So when it is 3:35.
I actually did not think this through. How that I was supposed to do the roof.
You didn't?
Nope.
It's pretty easy to do it on that small.
Oh wait, I think I know one way.
Use this piece, but I'm not sharing this.
Oh.
Right, I know exactly what I am building.
Okay, time's up. Time's up. So, we've gotten this so far. What were yours? What were you building?
Mine was gonna be like a green money bank.
A money bank? Well, yeah. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And bye.